Hey guys, welcome back to the Planet V. We're sharing with you this weekend in Sofia, Bulgaria, which felt like traveling through seasons in fast forward. One minute, the sun was glowing. The next, we were rushing for shelter from the rain. But that mix actually suited the city. Sofia reveals different faces depending on the sky above it. We began with NDK Park, a long urban corridor lined with fountains and wide walkways. Even under shifting clouds, it gave us a sense of Sofia's rhythm, people walking, chatting, passing through. A surprisingly calm introduction to a very layered city. From there, we follow the flow straight into Vitosha Boulevard. It's lively, social, and crowned with the perfect view of Vitosha Mountain whenever the clouds finally move. Even on a cold day, the boulevard buzzes with cafes offering warm pastries and strong coffee, which we needed often. A short walk brought us to the Temple of the Seven Saints, dedicated to the medieval scholars who shaped Bulgarian language and culture. The church stands on layers of history, literally built over a mosque and an older Christian side. Small, but full of quiet dignity. Just went inside. Cameras not allowed inside this church. Let's respect that. Sofia loves its symbolic guardians. Eagle's Bridge represents freedom, while Lion's Bridge honors the courage of Bulgarian revolutionaries. Two bridges, two emotions, and both look striking even through a moody sky. Then comes the showstopper, Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, one of the largest Eastern Orthodox cathedrals in the world, built as a tribute to the Russian soldiers who helped Bulgaria regain independence. Its domes shine differently depending on the weather: gold when the sun hits, deep green when clouds roll in. Inside, the lighting is soft and atmospheric, with frescoes filling the walls like pages from a centuries-old storybook. The cathedral can fit around 5,000 people, and its crypt houses one of Europe's most important icon collections. The acoustics are so good, choirs use it for recordings. I can confirm, it feels like the walls are singing back. Just a few steps away, the Russian church feels like a fairy tale cameo. Green tiles, golden domes, and a peaceful garden outside. But the real secret lies in the crypt, where people still leave handwritten wishes believed to be answered by Archbishop Seraphim, a beautiful mix of spirituality and tradition. One of Sofia's architectural stars, red walls, gold touches, and a fountain square that still looks lively even when the weather refuses to cooperate. It's named after Bulgaria's greatest writer, the equivalent of meeting Shakespeare's theater in the middle of town. Hidden between modern government buildings, this 4th century rotunda is the oldest preserved building in Sofia. Step inside and you're literally surrounded by frescoes from different centuries. It's one of the most remarkable contrasts in the entire city. A classic white building carrying the national motto, "Unity makes strength." Surrounded by statues and political landmarks, this area reminds you that Sofia isn't just old, it's influential. The symbolic protector of the city, she stands tall with a laurel wreath, a crown, and an owl. Wisdom and victory watching over everything. She may have caused some controversy when installed, but today, she's one of Sofia's unmistakable icons. Built in the 1500s by Mimar Sinan, the mastermind behind Istanbul's greatest mosques. What's special here is the warm steam escaping from underground vents. This mosque literally sits on natural thermal springs, giving the whole area a soft, warm glow in winter. Once the city's main bathhouse, now a museum. The building is bold and colorful, mixing stripes, arches, and domes. Even if museums aren't usually your thing, this facade will definitely catch your attention.
It's lukewarm.
A traditional indoor market full of local flavors, bread, cheese, spices, snacks, and busy daily life. The perfect place to understand the city's rhythm in just a few minutes. The largest synagogue in the Balkans, Moorish revival architecture, colorful tiles, and an enormous chandelier that weighs nearly 2 tons. A beautiful and important landmark of Sofia's Jewish heritage. Sofia sits on top of ancient Serdica, a Roman city so beloved that Emperor Constantine almost made it his capital. Today, you can walk through the ruins right inside the metro area, a clear reminder that Sofia has lived many lives. Warm mineral water flowing freely in the center of town. Locals fill bottles. We used it as hand warmers. These springs are the reason Sofia exists. The city was literally born around them. Sofia isn't loud or showy. It reveals itself slowly, through ancient walls squeezed between modern offices, through domes that shift color with the weather, through warm mineral water rising from the ground, and through a history that refuses to sit quietly in one era. Cold wind, rain, sudden sunshine. It all fits the city. If you want a place where centuries overlap, cultures mix, and unexpected beauty appears around almost every corner, Sofia will surprise you more than you expect. This is the Planet V. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe for more of our travel stories. Until next time.